guys, welcome back to our JAMB chemistry class. My name is ChemChris. In this video here, we want to look at JAMB organic chemistry class. So many people have asked me to produce videos on organic chemistry. So this video here, I would take this video to explain three major topics in organic chemistry. One, the hybridization. Two, the nomenclature. Three, the hybridization or the isomerism. So these three topics will be dealt with in this class, and it's going to be a revision class. So it's going to be a lengthy class. I'm going to explain so many things for you. So you want to take class step by step. One of the good things about my video is that by the time you finish watching any of my video, now you'll be able to master the topics. Do you understand? So that is why you want to stick to the end of this video. JAMB is about 40 days to go or 39 days to go. And by the time you finish watching this video here, you have covered almost 30 to 40% of organic chemistry. So this is going to be the first class on organic chemistry revision class. The second video is coming up, the third video is coming up, the fourth video is coming up, where I'm going to cover everything more in organic chemistry. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Get on the notification bell icon, then so that you will not miss any other video I upload on this channel. Do you understand? So if you are not following, if you're on TikTok, if you are not following me on TikTok, please go to my TikTok page and start following me on TikTok, because I also produce short video content there. But this YouTube here is always long form content, like 30 minutes video, 40 minutes video, 1 hour video. And the main reason why this video is very long, because I really want to explain the concept for you. So by the time you finish watching the video, you're fully understood what the concept. Now we are going to look at hybridization. Now this got a revision video. We are going to solve past questions. These are questions that JAMB have set under what hybridization. I'll be seeing majority of these questions in your exam. So, but I've done a complete video on hybridization. I'll leave the link at the description below, because it's very, very good you understand what hybridization is all about. How the sp3 and sp2 are being formed, just and those things there. But in this video here, I just want to explain I just want to give answer past questions. So let's get into it. Look at what hybridization was in carbon. Now, carbon is the major element in organic chemistry. So every organic compound must possess carbon as the chief element. So now we have three types of hybridization in carbon. So here we have the sp3, the sp2, and the sp. And there are so many things. And there are so many things you need to know about this one here. Now, the sp3, we are working the bond. They are single bond. And the single bond is what's called sigma bonds. Do you understand? So now when I say sp3 carbon is what sp3 carbon is what they are all single bond. A good example is what CHH. Now, this carbon here is what is sp3. This one is what is sp2. Do you understand? So any carbon that possesses single bond, they are what sp3. Do you understand? So sp3 are what are single bond, and they are called saturated. They are called saturated. Now, whenever you see organic compound that all have single bond, they are called saturated, and there's a reason why they are called saturated. So there is the reason why I say you should go check out my complete video on hybridization. So know the reason why they are called saturated, because time will not permit to start explaining those concepts for you, right? So now we are called the bond angle. The bond angle of sp3 is what 109 degree. 109 degree. Yes, sir. So when they ask you what is the bond angle of sp3 hybridized carbon, is what 109. Do you understand? Then what is the shape? The shape is called tetrahedral shape. So here we have tetrahedral shape. So here we have the tetrahedral shape, the 109 the bond angle, saturated. Do you understand? And they all have single bond, which is called sigma bond. So these are things you need to pay close attention to. So you have to copy it down inside, because these are That's stuff they're going to ask you in your what in your exam. Now the next thing is going to be what the sp2. Now when I see sp2, they contain what a double bond. A double bond. So any carbon atom that contain or that carries a double bond in an organic compound is what sp2. And the sp2 here contain what one sigma bond and one pi bond. So now when I see a double bond carbon like this, a double bond carbon like this, a double bond carbon like this, one is what is sigma bond and one is what pi bond. So all double bond contain one sigma bond and one pi bond. So they're going to ask you question like this in the exam. So sp3 you have one sigma bond and what one pi bond. Do you understand? That what make all the double bonds. Now, another thing you want to understand here is that they are called unsaturated. Do you understand? Unsaturated. So all double bonds are called unsaturated, and there's a reason why they are called unsaturated. So this is the reason why I say you should go and check out my complete video on sp3 on what hybridization. So I will understand the reason why they are really called sp. They are called unsaturated. Do you understand? And what can about that make this one have what a double bond, right? Now, what about the bond angle? Yeah, the bond angle is what 120 degree. 120 degrees. So now all sp2 hybridized carbon are what 120 degree, and the shape is called trigonal planar. Trigonal what planar. So the shape. So these are things you need to what take note of, right? sp2 that what double bond. Double bond means what one sigma bond, one pi bond, saturated 120 degree, and trigonal what planar. So very important here. So the next one to look at what is the sp. So I'm going to wipe this out because there's no space again. Remember, there are questions here, so I'm going to wipe this space out like this, so that I can see space to explain the words. Okay, a good example here. A good example here is what is alkene. A good example here is what is alkene. Yeah, a good example is what is the alkane. Yes, I skipped what this thing before. A good example is what is alkane. sp3 are the alkane. sp2 are the alkene. Then any other functional group that have with what a double bond. As far as you see a double bond in the functional group is what is an alkene. Now is what sp2. The next thing is what is sp. sp contain what triple bond. So now when I see a compound that contains triple bond in an organic compound, is what sp3. So is what sp. Do you understand? Is sp. So you really want to what take into part things here. Now sp contain what triple bond. That triple bond is made up of what one sigma bond. Do you understand? One sigma bond, two pi bonds, very important here. So sp3 is what is a single bond, just sigma bond. sp2 is what double bond, one sigma bond, one pi bond. sp is what triple bond, one sigma bond, two pi bond. Do you understand? They are still what unsaturated. And the bond angle is what 180 degree. The bond angle is what 180 degree. The shape is what linear shape. So is what linear 180. Just that linear what shape. So example is what is the alkane. Is the alkane that contain what a triple bond. So these are things you need to pay close attention. That this is just like a summary of hybridization in carbon, because these are things I want to use in what when solving question in hybridization. Do you understand? So if you understood, please leave a comment section that you follow and you understood it clearly before you start solving these questions. So let's start solving this. Let's look at what the first question. Is that the carbon atom in ethane are sp3, sp2, not hybridized. Ethane is a second member of the alkene, right? So we're going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? I have done a complete video on how to draw organic structure, so you can check out that video. All the link will be at the description below. Do you get that? All the link will be at the description below, so that this video will link to so many organic chemistry videos. You can take your time to watch it. And this video, now, if you should concentrate on organic chemistry between today and tomorrow, or like 3 days, get me. I bet you're able to finish everything about organic chemistry. So just dedicate 2 days or 3 days with my videos. You find that you'll be able to cover majority of the topic you want in organic chemistry, because I've done majority of the word videos. Okay, now this is ethane. Ethane also represented as what? CH3. CH3 is okay. Now this is called fully displaced structure. This is called condensed structure. Do you understand? Now let's express in their molecular formula. In molecular formula here, how many carbon atoms do we have in the compound? 2 carbon atoms. So it's going to be C2H. Now how many hydrogen? 3 plus 3, 6. So C2H is not the same that was CH3, CH3, also the same to this other one here. So this one can be converted to this, this one can be converted to this. You get? Now they're asking the carbon atom in ethane. Now the carbon atom, what is the hybridization of the carbon atom in ethane? You can see that they all contain single bonds, right? Now because they contain single bonds, remember sp3 is what? Is the single bond, right? The single bond. So the answer is what? Is sp3. So that is the hybridized carbon atom in ethane is what? sp3. So that is the answer. So we are done with what the first one. So let's look at the second question. Look at what the second question here. They say that the carbon atom in yes, supposed to be ethene. The carbon atom in ethene. Now, ethene is what? Is a double bond, right? So it's going to be carbon here, carbon, hydrogen, 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 and what? Hydrogen. That's that. So that is here we have CH2 double CH2, right? So it's going to be C2H4. Can you see that? So there it has what? A double bond. And whenever a carbon have a double bond, is what? Is sp2, which is what? Double bond, right? So what is the answer? The answer here is what? Is A, sp2. So the hybridized carbon atom in ethene is what? sp2. Do you understand? So look at what? Number 3. They say that, look at this structure here. So I'm going to draw this structure as CH3. Just as CH3. See that the compound contains sp3 only, sp2 only, sp3 and sp, and what? sp3 and what? sp2. So look at something here. This is what I'm going to teach you now. If, for example, here I have CH3, CH double bond, C. Okay. Now, yeah, let's check the hybridization of carbon here. If you look at this compound here, if you take a look at this compound here we have carbon, right? So if you check very well, now this one is CH3. CH3 is just like carbon here. Hydrogen, what? Hydrogen. Now, this one have what? All single bond. If you check it, they also have all single bond. And whenever a carbon have a single bond is what? sp3. Do you understand? Now, if you look at this carbon here and this carbon here, these 2 carbon atoms are carrying what? A double bond. Do you understand? Now, whenever a carbon is carrying a double bond, is what? sp2. So we have sp2, right? Now, these two carry what? sp3. Now, carry what? A triple bond, right? And whenever a carbon is carrying a triple bond, is what? sp. Now, this compound contain 3 different types of hybrid orbital. It contains the sp3, it contains what? The sp2, and it contains what? sp. Do you understand? So you need to understand this here. So whenever a compound is being given to you, and you say, what's the type of hybridized carbon there? Try to checkmate the numbers of bonds there. Is there a double bond? Is there a triple bond? Is it or a single bond? Do you understand? So if you check me very well, this will have a double bond carbon, a single bond carbon, a double bond carbon, and a triple bond carbon. The single bond carbon is what sp3. The double bond carbon is what sp2. While the triple bond carbon is what sp and what sp. So this compound contain sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon, what and sp carbon, right? So now let's answer this question here. Let's answer this question. Let's answer this question very fast here. If you look at this question, here, now this is just like carbon here, hydrogen, and what? Hydrogen. Then you have double bond here. Can you see that? Hydrogen, and what? Hydrogen. Now before that, now there are only two types of carbon here. Now, this one are carrying only a single bond called sp2, right? Now, this carbon is what? sp2. 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 This one carbon is what? sp2. Do you understand? So, this compound contains two types of carbon hybrid orbital. Now, the sp3 carbon, this one here that only have a single bond. Then the ring itself have double bond. So all these carbon atoms are what? sp2. Do you understand? So that is this compound is contain sp3 and what? sp. So this compound is contain sp3 and what? And sp2. Do you get that? So what is the answer? sp3 no. sp2 only no, sp3 and sp no, sp3 and sp2 yes. This is the what answer. So this is what is the answer, right? Are you following? Please, if you are following this class, leave a comment section that you are following this class. Please, if you have not liked this video, please give this video a like. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button now for you to subscribe to the channel, so that you not be able to, so that you not miss any other video I'm going to upload. Because I'm still going to upload more videos on organic chemistry. Now, let's look at question number 4. So you can go ahead and answer question number 4 for yourself. Question number 4 and question number 5. Leave at the comment section. What is option number 4? What is question number what? What is option number 5 in the hybridization here? So leave at the comment section. I want to see what you can do. Look at the question is what is the time? The time is like this. What is the time? So is what is S is what sp. So the answer is what sp. This is the answer here, sp. Now let's go this one here, number 5. Here we have CH3, C double bond, CH. Now this will contain sp, right? Because triple bond here we have what? sp3 and what? sp3. Do you understand? So that is the abbreviation here is what? sp3 and what? And sp. sp3 and what? And sp. So that's the answer here. So what is the answer? The answer is what? Is D. So that is it. Okay, that is it for what? For hybridization. So I believe you now understood everything about what hybridization, right? If you still have any question that is bothering you under hybridization, please leave that in the comment section. I will respond to that. So the next one to look at is what? Is the nomenclature aspect. This is where I want to solve. This is where I want to name different organic compounds in the nomenclature based on what? JAMB questions, the way JAMB used to ask those questions. So let's move to the nomenclature now. One of the most important aspects of organic chemistry we call the nomenclature aspects. So this is where majority of students don't actually like or find difficulties. So you need to pay close attention here. Now if you can do exactly what I'm going to share with you or give to you, then go and watch those of my videos step by step, because I've done a complete video on the alkanes, alkynes, benzene, carbonic acid, ketones, and IDI. Just that. So this one is like a revision class. So I'll be leaving link to those questions, to those videos. So now, but now let's see how we can name for you. Now let me look at the first one. Say, give the IUPAC name for this compound here. So I want to write some out. I have CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Here we have what? CH3. Now, how do we name this one here? So this one is under what? Alkane. Nomenclature. And when naming alkane, you must take what? Take what? The longest chain. Now, when I talk about the longest chain, the chain that have what? The most carbon atom. So if you check very well, they say continuous chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So it's an alkane. Now the main reason why it's an alkane because they all have single bond. So remember in the hybridization, any compound that have all single bond are called alkanes. And if you should check what the first 10 members of the alkane. So if you are here, you don't know the first 10 members of the alkane, you have to know the first 10 members of the alkane because these are the basis of your nomenclature. So after you count the numbers of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this compound contain 4 carbon chain as a continuous. So if I start from 1, 2, 3, 4, right? They are going to be a substituent. It's going to be what? It's substituent. You understand? And the name of the substituent is under what? Alkyl group. Alkyl group is what? Alkyl what group. And when you have only one carbon atom, it's called what? Methyl. It's called what? Methyl. It's called what? Methyl. So now this guy is what? Is a methyl. Is a substituent. Right there. Remember the first stage what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that when I take from here to here, this guy is not counted among the chain. So that is why it has become a substituent. You get. So my parent's name is going to be what? Now, what is the fourth members of the alkane? The fourth members of the alkane. Because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth members of the alkane is called butane. It's called what? Butane. So these are going to be what my parents' what's name, right? These are going to be what my parents' name. Butane. Butane is what is my parents' name. Then I have a substituent. Substituent is what? Is what? Ethyl. So how do I combine them together? Now this is the carbon atom that carry what this methyl, right? Now the portion of this carbon atom here, if I start from here 1, 2, 3, it's going to be what? 3, right? So the portion of this methyl is going to be what? 3 what? Methyl. And they're going to be what? 3 methyl. Now how do I get 3 methyl? I start from here 1, 2, 3. This carbon atom is what carry what the methyl group, which is a substrate, right? So that's why it's called 3 methyl. But when I start from here 1, 2, going to be what? 2 what? Methyl. It's called 2 methyl. In the nomenclature, the substrate must have the lowest possible number. What do I mean? When you are naming, you must number it in a way the carbon atom that carry what the substrate must have the lowest possible number. You understand? So in your option, you are going to see 3 methyl butane in the option, and you're still going to see 2 methyl butane in the option. Right there. So now when you answer like this, now you'll be confused on what to choose. Now they will say that the one that had the lowest possible number 2 is lower than one. So this is not the correct number. This is not the correct name. Another thing I want to take note here is that when you are naming, you must separate numbers and alphabet by this hyphen, by this dash. It's very important. So 2 methyl butane. How do I get butane? How do I get butane from 1, 2, 3, 4? Right? How do I get methyl? It's from this one that is not counted among the chains. So it's one carbon atom, so it's called what? Methyl. How do I get 2? It's from when you start from 1, 2. The position of this carbon atom that carry double when you start from is what is 2. So what is the correct name? The correct name is going to be what? C. That is what the correct what name. You get that? So that is how to what name to that one here. So let me move to the B part. Let me move to the B part. Now the B part is what? CH3, CCl, CH3, CH2, CH3. Now, if you have gotten a solid foundation on the world, first of all, you understand what I've done here. Then this one is going to be much easier for you to understand. Now, but just that here I have 2 substrates here. So what is the first rule? The first rule is what? Take the longest continuous carbon chain, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? They're all single bonds. So the parent is what? Is butane. Is what is butane, right? Now, From here to here is what is parent name. Here I have this guy and this guy. The name of this guy already is called what? Mita. It's called what? Mita. Why the name of this guy called chloro? Just so if I start my number from here, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. That is 1, 2, 3. I can't about 3. I have what? 3 chloro, 3 Mita. So it will be 3 chloro, 3 what? Mita. Right? But when I start from here, the other side here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. So you must number from both sides. You see the one that have the lowest number. So here I want to have 2 chloro, 2 what? Methyl. So which are going to be the correct number? 3 plus 3 is what? Is 6. 3 plus 3 is what? Is 6, right? 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is what? Is 4. Now 4 is lower than that one here. So the number must favor the one that had the lowest number. Right there. So because this will give me 4, I'm going to start from here, not here. So I'm going to go with this other one here. Do you understand? So this one is X. So how do I combine them together? Now, butane is what my parents, the parent will always come last. Now, here we have chloro, here we have what? Methyl. So which will come first? This way we now arrange what the substrates alphabetically in alphabetical what order. C will come before M in alphabetical order, right? So it's going to be 2 chloro, 2 methyl, butane. So it's never going to be 2 chloro, 2 methyl, butane. That is the name of the compound here. So let's see the one that is correct. So 2 chloro, 2 methyl, butane. So C is the what accurate one. You get? So basically, these are ways and patterns you want to see questions when it comes to what derivation of the alkane. So with question 1 and question 2, should give you a proper foundation on naming what organic compound when it comes to the alkane. You get? So, but I've done a complete video. Like what I said, I've done a complete video on derivation of the alkane. I will leave it at I will leave the complete video. I will leave the link to the complete video at the description. Please go and check out that video. So let's look at what question number 3. Question number 3. So you have C2H5, right? CH3, CH2. Now, when to expand this one here. Now when I see C2H5, it's also the same as CH3, CH2. Do you understand? So this one is what this one the molecular. This one is what structure, right? So that is I'm going to withdraw this guy here. I'm going to withdraw this one here. I'm going to withdraw this guy to what? CH3, CH2, C double bond, CH2, CH3. That is it. Now you can see that there's a double bond here, right? Now whenever you have a double bond, it's called what? Alkene. Right there. So now let's say what the longest. Now let's count the longest continuous carbon chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So that is the 4th members of the alkene is going to be butene. Going to be what? Butene, right? Butene, right? Now from here to here is parent chain. This guy is not among the board parent chain, so it's going to be methyl. So the parent name is butene. The substance is what methyl. Now, but there's a double bond here. Now, when you add a double bond, you must number it in a way the double bond must have the lowest possible number. The double bond must have the lowest possible number. In the sense that now here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. The carbon atom that carry double bond must have the lowest possible number. So it's going to be here. So that my double bond is our carbon number 1. So in order of butene is what? 1 butene. So the portion of the double bond must be included. Now remember when we name alkanes, they are all single bonds, right? Now, but here, when I now have a function we call the double bond, this double bond here, what happens here? You must put the position of the double bonds. Now, either any of the functional patterns, you must put the word position. Do you understand? So as what it's carbon one that is having what the double bond. So it's going to be now there are two we can name it. So is that you name like one butene, or but one what in. Any of this is correct. Now, what does it mean? Mean that here we have four carbon atom, there is a double bonds, and double bonds are what carbon number what one. That is meaning but one in or one butene. But I love this one here. So you're not going with this one here. So this is what parent name. Now the position of the methyl is account by what two. So it will be two methyl, but one in. Can you see that? That is name. So here we have two methyl but one in. So C is what is the answer. Right? So if you understood, please leave a message that you follow me or you grab what I'm doing here. If this video is helpful, please leave a message that this video is helpful. It goes a long way to tell me that you're actually following this video. If you have not liked this video, please give a like, leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. So you can also copy this link to people who want to watch this video here. Copy this link and send to them so that they can also watch this video too, right? So let's move to the next set of questions. Look at what the second set of questions. They say give name. So from question 4 to question 8. But yeah, I did actually include what the options you get because of the board, the board. So I'm just going to shoot the nomenclature here. Now, what I'm going to do here after I finish naming a state company, I'm going to give you a similar one for you to name. Do you get that? So that's what we'll be doing now. So here we have this other one here. So it says she names for you. Here we have. So here we have CH3, CH2, C. Right? So now if you look at this functional group here, it's called CO2H. CO2H. It's called alkanoic acid. Alkanoic what acid. You also know carboxylic acid. It's okay. So now when I see this functional group here, it's not what alkanoic what acid. You get. So it's basically derived from the alkane. Now look at the alkane here. The alkane, you remove the E. You got OIC acid. Are you there? So how many carbon atoms do you have? You 1, 2, 3. The third members of the alkane is called propane. It's called propane, right? Now because here we have the functional here, you remove it, it's going to be OIC acid. So it's going to be propanoic what acid. Propanoic what acid. So the answer is called propanoic acid. This is here. Now let me give you on that one so to name here. I really want to master this here. If I ask you like this, CH3, CH2, 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 C. Where is my this guy here? Please. How many carbon atoms are you seeing here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Right? Now, the fifth members of the alkane is called pentane. It's called what? Pentane. Right? Now, because here we have this functional here, you remove the E, you play what? OIC acid. It's called pentanoic what? Acid. It's called what? Pentanoic what? Acid. Do you understand? So, now, what about if I ask like CH3, CH2, C, Cl, BRO, CH2, CH2, C. So, how do we name this? How do we name this compound here? How do we name this compound? So let me write this place out so I will name this compound together. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 members of the alkane is called azane. So because here we have the function, we go to do what? Azanoic acid. Azanoic acid. Can you see that? Now here we have two substrates, a chloro and what? And a bromo, right? A chloro and a bromo. So we have now the functional group carbon is always with my carbon 1. So now when I see this kind of carbon here, it's always with my carbon 1. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what? And 6. So that means carbon number 4 is having chloro and what? Bromo. So it will be 4 chloro, 4 what bromo. I get. So they are the position of what of these two substrates here. Chlorine is account number 4, bromine is account number 4. So that's why we have 4 chloro, 4 bromo. Now the parent name is called isoanic acid. The main reason why it's called isoanic acid because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atom, one of the carbon atoms is a carboxylic acid functional group. So that's why it's called isoanic acid. Now, so how do you arrange it? Remember, when you're naming, you must arrange substrate alphabetically. B will come before C in alphabetical order, right? So it will be 4 bromo, 4 chloro, ethanoic acid. Just 4 bromo, 4 chloro, ethanoic what acid. That is the what name. So these are to what name carboxylic acid functional. Do you understand? So we are doing this other one here. Let's move to this other one. Let's move to this guy. Let's move to what? To this one. CH2 double bond C, CH3, here we have CH2Cl. So how do we name this one here? There's a double bond here, right? There's a double bond. Now, and here you have what? This guy. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now, if I should go like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I have this guy and this guy as a what? As a substituent. You get? So 1, 2, 3. I have methyl and what? Chlorine as a substrate. So the correct number is going to be this one here. 1, 2, 3. You get 1, 2, 3. So now the main reason why I took this one here because here I want to have two substrates, a methyl, and what? And a chloro. Do you understand? Now, how many carbon atoms do you have here? 3 carbon atoms. 3 what? Carbon atoms with a double bond. Okay, what? Double bond. Now, because we have 3 carbon atoms here, going to be what? Propene. And you're going to be what? Propene. You get? It's going to be because of what double bond here. So instead of what? Propane. It's going to be what? Propene. The A will change to what? E. Propene. Do you understand? Propene. Now, what is the position of this double bond here? Is account number 1. So it's going to be 1 propene. Do you understand? So here we have 1, 2, 3, right? So 1 propene is what is the parent what name, parent name. So now let's look at what the position of what of the substance. Account number 2, I have methyl. So it will be 2 methyl. 2 what? Methyl. 2 methyl. Then account number 3, I have a chloro group. So it will be 3 chloro. I there. So chlorine will come before methyl in what? In alphabetical order. So C will come before M in what? In alphabetical order. In what? Alphabetical order here. Right? So they're going to be what? 3 chloro, 2 methyl. Then we have what? 1 propene. Right there. Or you can say this propene here you see, it can also be prop 1 what in. You get, so it can also be 3 chloro, 2 methyl, prop 1 what in. So please look at the way I separated what the number and the alphabet. Number and alphabet are only separated by this hyphen. It's very important. So this is not the name. You have this or this one here. So we are done with this. We are done with this one. We are doing this one here. So how do we name this compound? How do we name this question 6? How do we name question 6? So you can pause the video and do question 6. So you're supposed to be 2. Okay, so how do you name so here? This one is a little bit complex, so pay close attention here. Now, the first mistake so many of you will do, you have to take from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You now say the parent result is pentene, which is wrong. Now, if you pick pentene is wrong. Now, the reason why it's gone because we must say what the longest continuous carbon chain. That is chain that have higher numbers of carbon atom. From here to here is what is 5, but from here to here, let's count from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. You get so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that? So you're going to be what hexene, not pentene, not pentene. So you're going to be hexene. Going to be what hexene. So if I should pick from here to here, I have 2 substituents. It's okay. I have these 2 substituents because I took from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Methyl and methyl are not taking. Do you understand? Now, before I start naming here, I must ensure that my carbon atom have the what lowest possible number. So here we have a double bond here. Here's the double bond. So if I start with 1, 2, 3, if I start with 1, 2, 3, right? So the position of the double bond is going to be 3. You get the position of the double bond is going to be 3 because when I start from here 1, 2, 3, 3 what hexene. When I start from here 1, 2, 3, 3 what hexene. It's okay. So remember the double bond must have the lowest possible number. Right, but when I start from that side, it gave me 3 hexene, 3 hexene. So what will be the right number here? Now, here we have the position of what the double bond. This way, you are not going to use substrates. Now, if I start from here, look at something here. When I start from here, it gave me 3 hexene. When I start from here, it gave me 3 hexene, right? So the double bond is no longer the problem here. But you get something here. If I start from here, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So if you check the position of the methyl, here we have 3 plus 5, which is going to give me what? 8. It's okay, you're going to give me 8. Do you know the reason why? Because when I start from here, 1, 2, 3. Come back 3, add the methyl. Come back 5, add one in methyl. When I start from here, just but guess what? Let's start from this other point here. Let's our position. So when I start from here, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to be, I can about 2, add methyl, 2 plus, I can about 4, add what in methyl, for going to give me what 6. Now which one going to be, you should have the highest, this one have the highest, this one have the lowest. The one that have the lowest possible number, when you sum them together, is going to have what, you're going to be what the right number. Now this question is very, very technical. It's very, very technical. That is why you need to check out my complete playlist on organic compound, name of the organic compound, because there is where I gave each of the steps. So I've done making sure of the alkene previously. So if you want to watch that video here, leave the comment section that you want to watch the reactions of the alkene. What I'm going to do, I'm going to send you the video, the link to the video to you separately. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you want to understand the nomenclature of the alkene, leave the comment section that you want to learn the nomenclature of the alkene. I will send the link to you. So you're going to be what 6. So now here we have 2 methyl, and here we have what 4 what methyl. It's okay. Now 2 of them are the same substance, so you can combine 2 of them together. So it will be 2,4 dimethyl. Now, which I'm going to explain here. Now, because they are the same, that's called dimethyl. Do you understand? Di means 2, tri means what? 3, tetra means 4. So because there are 2, that's why it's called dimethyl. The position, one is what carbon 2, one is carbon 4. So you join it together. And when you're combining numbers and numbers, you use what this command here. So that's why we have 2,4 dimethyl. So that would be what 3 what hexene. It's okay. Now this hexene can also be eggs what 3 what in s 3 in, right? So it can also be 2,4 dimethyl eggs 3 what s 3 what in. That is what this compound here. So now let me to a question about what 7. But before look at question number 7, let's look at question number 8 because 2 of them are the same. CH3, CH2, CH3, here you have OH, here you have hydrogen. Now, this one is also the same thing as CH3, CH2, C, hydrogen, OH. These two are the same. It's okay. These two are the same. So as organic chemistry students, you need to learn and master how to draw organic structures. You get. I've also done a complete video on how to what learn how to draw organic structure. I've taught a complete video on that. So these are the same thing because here we have one, the longest continuous carbon chain. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you understand? So here we have OH. Now, whenever you have OH here, you go down alkanol. Alkanol. Do you understand? Alkanol is being derived from the alkane. Alkane. Look at the alkane here, right? So the E is being replaced by what? OL, right? So how many carbon out of the have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You must know what? Butane. So the word butane, right? Now because there's OH here, you remove the E, you replace with OL. So butanol. OH. What is the position of the OH? When I start from here, 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 butanol. But when I start from 1, 2, here we have 2 butanol. 3 which is correct? Now, is it 3 butanol or 2 butanol? 3 which is correct? Fine. 2 butanol is what is correct because it's what I have the lowest, right? Now, I can say it says that what buta2O. Right there, buta2O. That is it. So either of them is correct. So that is the name of this compound here. It's what buta2O or what 2. Here we have this guy here. Here we have CH3. Here we have CH3, CH2. Here we have what? CHOH. Now, this carbon here, I see this carbon here is having a hydrogen or 2 methyl. So here we have CH3, CH3 and what? And hydrogen. That is meaning. Just understand. So this structure also is the same here. Here we have CH3. Here we have CH2. Here we have CHOH here. You see this carbon here. This carbon means that it has what? 1 hydrogen. You see this 2. You see this methyl here in what bracket 2 here. That is this carbon is what 2 methyl. Do you understand? So how do you name this one here? Here we have OH here. Here we have OH. Therefore, remember the here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have pentanol, right? Now, what is the position of the OH? The position of the OH here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here we have 3 pentanol or penta 3 what? Oh, do you get that? Penta or 3 or that is the what name. Now, the name of the position of this one is going to be what? So we have to start from here. So that you can have what 2, right? So it will be 2 methyl penta 3 what? Oh, that is the what name. So we have come to the end of this video. We have come to the end of this video here. So now, but I want to go check out my playlist or what on organic chemistry. It's very important. Aside from what from the beginning to aspect to what to the what complete aspect you get. So go and check it out. If this video is helpful, please leave in the comment section that this video is helpful. This is the first video on JAMB organic chemistry revision class. Is a revision what class? Is a revision class. So this is the first video. Second video will be coming up. Third video will be coming up. Fourth video will be coming up. Fifth video will be coming up. Enough for me to clearly explain everything for you, just and answer all the past questions for you. I believe this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, please leave it in the comment section. If you have not liked, if you have watched the video to this extent and you have not liked this video, you're not doing good thing here. You're a very wicked human being. If you have watched the video to this point and you have not liked this video or you have not subscribed to the channel, you're a very wicked human being. I'm telling you the truth. Because your only support, you can support me is both by liking and subscribing. And also share this video to other persons who you think that need this video. So I'll see you in the next video. So go to the description below. There are other videos there that will be of help to you. You get you can see this screen here. There's other video popping up that you can go and check with.